Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove your home or work address on Google Maps. I'll show you how to do this on mobile, and then I'll show you how to do this on PC. On mobile, go ahead and open Maps. Once Maps is open, come to the bottom and tap on You. Under You, you see Home and Work. Now, you can tap on the three dots beside any one of them, and you see Remove Work. Or you can tap on Label, and you find Home and Work. Tap on the three dots beside any one of them and tap on remove. To remove your work, you can equally do the same. Now on PC, in the search section, search for Google Maps and you find Google Maps as the first link. If you're using Google Chrome, simply just click on the Google apps and you'll find Maps in this section. Click on Maps and this will load Google Maps on your PC. Once Google Map is loaded, come to this section and click on Saved. Here you're going to see Labeled. Click on Labeled and you see Home and Work. Click on the three dots beside any one of them and click on Remove Address. You can do this for equally your work address. So thank you for watching this video on how to remove home or work address on Google Maps, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, do make sure to like, subscribe and have the post notification turned on.